Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing some ribs. Alright, so we got this rack of ribs here, and kind of cleaned it up a little bit, kind of squared everything off, took some of the fat off. There was a little extra fat here on the sides, kind of make it look pretty. I'm using this new rub, new to me, rub today. It's called Memphis Barbecue. It's by Major Flavor Seasoning. I tried some of their rubs. I actually had one of their rubs 2 days ago. It was awesome. It was called Havana Mojo. I put that on some fish and whoa, it was good. So anyway, we're going with this Memphis Barbecue rub today. So I'm not using a binder on this at all. I'm just going to go straight up with it. And no binder. Tastes really good. Tastes really good. Alright, so I'm just going to put a nice, I'm going to call it a medium coat on it. I'm not going to go too light, and I'm not going to go too heavy. Just want to get a nice covering on it. I haven't decided if I'm going to sauce these up yet. Guess I'll figure that out later. But I kind of want to just do a run with this rub, see how it goes. That's it. All right, so we got this nice rack. Now what I did here on the back was I didn't pull the membrane off. I just scored it up a little bit. This way, hopefully, it breaks off nice and easy. That's it. We'll just do a nice medium coat on here. This rub smells really good. Tastes good too. I know this is going to be good. Anyway, yeah, you can see the score marks here. I kind of took this extra flap off here. Got my extra meat here and extra fat. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to save it. You know, you can make a sausage with it. You could add it to a chili. You could add it to a queso dip. I'm going to save it because I'm probably going to add it to a chili. But anyway, we're going to get the grill fired up. We're going to come back, let these sit for a little while, and that's it. We're good to go. Alright guys, our temp's looking good. It's almost 225 right there, that sweet spot that I want. So we're cooking on the Smoky Mountain today. So I'll put this on, make it look good. That looks beautiful. I'm going to let this go for like an hour, maybe two. I want that seasoning to stick. Once it sticks, then I'm going to start spritzing. Okay guys, so the rib's been on for 2 hours. It smells really good. Alright, looks like we can start spritzing now. I'm using some pineapple juice. That's it, man. Just going to do a little spritz. Yeah, I like pineapple juice on the ribs. I don't know, just I think it adds in good taste and everything. But let's see, it is hot out today. Looking at 97 degrees here in New York. We got the ribs are going. Gonna cover it back up, let them go for a little while longer, and be back. Alright guys, so I wrapped these ribs up about a half hour ago. They're on here. I'm probably going to let this go for maybe an hour. I'm going to take them off, and I might sauce them at that time. Alright, so today I'm using this Ember by Royal Oak. It's my first year using them. I don't know if they're new. I never saw them before, but I've been using them for the past couple weeks and they've been pretty good. I haven't noticed any weird flavors at all. They burn good. Yeah. So anyway, to the ribs. They've been on for about an hour, and I'm happy with that. Wrapped up for about an hour. I'm gonna take them off, unwrap them, see how they're doing, and probably throw them back on for another half hour or so. I just took them out of the butcher paper. They're looking really good and they smell delicious. I can't wait to try them. Got this new rub on them. I can't wait to try that. So we've been cooking them at between 220 and 240 today. Been aiming for 225. Got cherry and pecan wood on there. Cherry and pecan. And I think I'm not going to sauce them. All I'm doing is just using this rub. I want to taste just that rub. And I'm very excited. They smell delicious and they look good already. I want to bite into it right now. They've been on for close to 5.5 hours. They're good to go. We just did a rub today. We used Major Flavor Seasonings. This is the second time I'm using this brand. Second different seasoning I'm using, and let me tell you, it is awesome. It is so good. I'm looking forward to trying this seasoning. They got a full line. You can check out their website. I'm gonna put the link below. But so we did 1 rack of ribs with just a rub. We cooked it between 220, 240. I was aiming for 225 the whole time. No sauce. And now we're gonna cut into it and see what it looks like and taste it. So when I cut my ribs, I like to look at the backside. I like to look at the bones. All right. If your bones are a little crooked, the cuts are gonna come crooked. When you look for ribs, try to get the ribs with the straightest bones. Well, they look good. This cut doesn't look good. This is some curvy cut going on, but they look good. We got a smoke ring going on. They're nice and juicy on the inside. I have to test this out. Look at that. It's just nice glistening, nice ring going on. Oh, let's see. I've been wanting to try these all day now. Oh, wow. Very good. Some sweetness. You taste a little heat. Not too much. Very good. This is the Memphis Rub. Yeah, this is good. This is a home run. This is a home run. I highly encourage you checking out this rub. This is really good. I think this is going to be one of my go-tos for sure. Oh man. Oh. Anyway, thanks for checking me out. You guys enjoy barbecue and grilling. Have a nice day.